Welcome to the latest update program. The topic of discussion is trade disruptions, Red Sea and Panama. The recent drone attack on the chemical tanker MV Chem Pluto en route to India has heightened tensions in the maritime trade community. This incident occurred roughly 200 nautical miles off the Gujarat coast, emphasizing the vulnerability of the Red Sea trade route in West Asia. These attacks, attributed to the Houthi rebels of Yemen, have been linked to protest against Israel's military activities in Gaza. Now moving on to disruptions. Red Sea. Houthi attacks in the Bab el-Mandeb Strait forced ships to take longer routes like Cape of Good Hope, raising freight rates and potentially increasing Indian agricultural product prices. And Panama Canal. Drought reduces water levels, forcing ships to take Suez Canal longer travel time or participate in expensive auctions for faster transit. LNG carriers may skip the canal entirely in 2024. Now let's discuss about impacts. Global trade disruption due to increased shipping times and cost, higher prices for consumers, especially in developing countries like India, further pressure on global exporters facing slowing demand, global oil shipments via Red Sea significantly reduced, and potential 25 to 30% rise in freight rates for Indian exports to Europe and Africa.